Meet Arjun. Arjun is a kind and happy little boy. Every morning, he walks to school through a beautiful green forest. He loves nature, birds, trees, and the fresh air around him. One day, while walking, Arjun heard a soft crying sound. He stopped and listened carefully. Oh no, someone needs help, he thought. Arjun slowly went near the bushes. There, he saw a little puppy stuck near sharp thorns. The puppy looked scared and hurt. Don't worry, little one, Arjun said softly. He carefully removed the thorns and gave the puppy some water. The puppy felt safe, happy, and wagged its tail with joy. From that moment, a new friendship began. The puppy followed Arjun everywhere. They walked together, smiling and enjoying the beautiful nature. When Arjun reached school, everyone smiled at him and his puppy. The puppy waited patiently outside while Arjun went to class. Arjun felt proud because helping others made his heart happy. At the end of the day, Arjun and the puppy rested under a big tree. They looked peaceful and content. Remember, kids, kindness to people, animals, and nature makes our world a happier and more beautiful place.